Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to call Apex class from screen flow in Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically here an article on how to do that exactly, and basically it gives just an example by using, for example, a record ID variable, etc., and add them in an Apex action. So basically you will need just to go to the flows, and we need just to go to the flow builder so we can create our flows. So here we need just to search for our flows, and basically we click on flows and we go to a new flow so we can create flow in the flow builder, starts from scratch, and we need to use screen flow. So as you can see, this is the final layout of our flow, and basically it just gets got some records that it will invoke some Apex action on them, and after that it will take a decision to display something on the screen, which is the invoke method. So basically for that, for the getting record, it just added some variables, which is the record ID variable, the account variable, and the name variable. So after that, we will need just to go here, and let's simply go to the Apex actions, and basically we need just to search for our actions, and basically we can also add an action to invoke our flow or our Apex, and from here we can search for Apex actions, and basically here we will find, for example, this uh, Epic action, or you can also find all your Apex classes from here. So basically you will give it a label, and from here you will find, for example, your inputs. And if we go back, we will find my Apex class that will be here, and we go here, and as you can see, I have already created this class with the invoke method or the invoke invocable method as follow here. So make sure that you have an invocable method, and basically it will start showing in the builder, and basically by this you will have your own builder or your own class that will be called inside your flow. So basically this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.